Hello everyone, I'm going to show you right now how I take black seed oil every single day. After posting my video about my 30-day results with black seed oil, a lot of you guys wanted to know exactly how I take it. So I want to go ahead and clear up any confusion and tell you exactly what I do every single morning when I wake up. Now, before we get into that, I just want to ask you guys for a really quick favor. If you watched my last video, or if you watched this one and you got some sort of value out of it, please hit that like button. It helps me a lot, and it also signals to the algorithm that you guys see value in these videos. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we are in the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. And I'm just going to walk you through everything I do to prepare my body for the day. Now, I take black seed oil every single morning because it helps me to focus and it helps me get my day started. And it's also good for the gut. So I like to take it on an empty stomach. Usually I don't eat until about 12 p.m. anyway, so that works out perfectly for me. So the first thing I do is come over here to my water filter. This is a very high quality water filter. I love it. But I just fill up my glass with some fresh filtered water. So I'm going to set this down right here for just a second. Alright, next thing I grab is my measuring spoon. Now with the black seed oil, you definitely want to measure it out because you don't want to be eyeballing it. You want to be exact. So I always use this little measuring spoon right here. It comes in the package that the black seed oil comes in, and then once I have that, I go over here to my stash of black seed oil. So I keep it right here. I usually buy it in bulk from iHerb. It's much cheaper that way. If you want to learn more about where to get it, watch my previous video about my 30-day results with black seed oil, and I'll leave a link below for you guys to check it out. So I have two different bottles right here. One is a larger bottle, and one is a smaller bottle. So this is the one I use when I travel. So I have it right here, and I'm just going to open it up. Now I use the bigger bottle at home because it's just easier, and I like to take 2 heaping tablespoons every single morning. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my measuring spoon, and I'm just going to scoop it out, 2 heaping tablespoons. And then once I have that, I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in my glass of water. So I have my 16 ounces of water. I have 2 heaping tablespoons of black seed oil in there. Next thing I do is I go over here to my blender. This is a Ninja blender. It's a really good blender. Highly recommend it. It makes my life so much easier. And the reason why I put it in a blender is because I like my drinks to be nice and smooth. I don't want any clumps. I don't want anything to be gritty. I want everything to be nice and smooth and creamy. So I like to put it in the blender. Sometimes I add ice cubes to it. Sometimes I don't. It just depends on the day. Today I'm not going to add any ice cubes, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid on, push the button, and blend it. Alright, so here we have our finished product right here. Let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so here is my finished product. It's nice and smooth. There's no chunks in it. Everything is blended really nicely. And this is what I drink every single day in the morning. So I'm going to finish this up. And then I'm gonna show you what I do once I finish it. Alrighty, so I finished up my drink. Let me show you what I do next. So once I finish my drink, I like to go ahead and grab my toothbrush, and I like to brush my teeth. Not only does brushing your teeth help remove bacteria, but it also stimulates blood flow to the gums, and it promotes better overall health of your mouth. So I like to do that. I also like to floss between my teeth, because I have a history of getting cavities, so I want to make sure I keep my teeth nice and clean, especially when I'm traveling. When I'm traveling, I'm eating out a lot more, so I want to make sure that I'm taking care of my teeth. Even though I'm doing all these health things, I still have a history of cavities, so I'm being proactive by flossing and brushing my teeth. Then, after I do that, I like to wash my face. I don't wash it with just any old soap. I actually use a face wash specifically designed for men. So I have this face wash right here. I've been using it for years. I love it. So I use that to wash my face, and then once I do that, I'm ready for the day. So that's my morning routine. That's how I take black seed oil every single day. Like I said in my last video, I'm not a doctor. I'm not giving medical advice. The only reason why I shared my results was because I know a lot of people are interested in black seed oil, and they want to know exactly how to take it. They want to know the benefits. They want to know where to get it. So I made that video to help people out who are interested in black seed oil. I noticed a huge difference in my energy levels and my mental clarity when I took the black seed oil, but I also want to mention that it's important to take other things as well. Exercise, for example, is really important. Eating healthy is really important. Getting enough sleep is really important. But if you can add black seed oil to the mix, I think it will enhance your overall health and well-being. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit that like button. It really helps me out. Also, please share this video with anyone you think it might help. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so if you're trying to improve your overall health and you're looking for additional ways to support your body, I'd love to invite you to. So with Neuro, you're getting clinically proven neurotransmitters which are essential for optimal brain function. Your brain needs these neurotransmitters to work at its best. They help with focus, concentration, memory, stress management, sleep, and countless other brain functions. Taking a supplement like this one is a great way to support your brain and to ensure it has what it needs to function optimally. There's 3 main neurotransmitters that your brain needs: dopamine, serotonin, and acetylcholine. Dopamine is responsible for pleasure, motivation, and reward. Serotonin is responsible for mood stabilization, happiness, and well-being. Acetylcholine is responsible for memory, learning, and attention. With Neuro, you're getting all 3 of these essential neurotransmitters in one convenient capsule. I personally take Neuro every single day. It helps me to focus and concentrate. It gives me motivation, and it supports my overall brain health. In fact, I even notice an improvement in my mood. I feel happier and more at peace. If you're looking for a natural way to support your brain and improve your overall health, I highly recommend checking out Neuro. Just go to the website, click the link below, and start taking control of your brain health today.